and every mudra denotes its own meaning. So mudras are really important part, and today we will see all the mudras and the meanings behind it. Make sure that your one hand is on the waist like this and the other hand should be on the side like this. So when you're having your hands on the side, you make sure that the elbows are absolutely in straight line. Asamukta Hasta Mudra, that is single hand gesture. First is the pataka, means a flag. Pataka, three parts of a flag. Ardha pataka, half a flag. Kartarimukha, denoting scissors. Mayura, a peacock. Ardha Chandra, half moon. Arala, a mountain peak. Shukatunda, peacock's beak. Mushti, a fist. Shikhara, heroism. Kapita, goddess of wealth. Katakamukha, offering a garland or offering a flower. Katakamukha can also be denoted as like this. Katakamukha. Suchi, denoting this or that. Chandrakala, a moon face. Padmakosha, a flower bud. Sarpashisha, head of a snake. Mrigashisha, a deer's head. Simhamukha, a lion's head. Kangula, water lily bud. Alapadma, Chatura, little or witty or clever. Brahmara, Brahmara Shaiva, black bee. Hansasya, a swan. Hansapaksha, a swan's feather. Sandamsho, grabbing something. Mukula Chaiva or Mukula, a bud. Tamrachuda, a cock. Trishula, a trident or a weapon. Trishula. These are the single hand gestures. Pataka, Tripataka, Ardha pataka, Kartarimukha, Mayura, Ardha Chandrasya, Arala, Shukatunda, Mushti, Shikhara, Kapita, Katakamukha, Suchi, Chandrakala, Padmakosha, Sarpashisha, Mrigashisha, Simhamukha, Kangula, Alapadma, Chaturo, Brahmara Shiva or Brahmara, Hansasya, Hansapaksha, Sandamsho, Mukulachaiva, Tamrachuda, Trishula. These are the single hand gestures. Well, that was a single hand gesture or Asamukta Hasta Mudra in Bharatnatyam. Each mudra had meaning, as you saw. You make sure that you practice this every day at home along with the names of each mudra. See you in the next class.